You might think getting rich means what you see on social media, the flashy cars, the designer clothes, the endless expensive vacations. But there's a dangerous truth most people never realize. If you don't recognize the actual signs that you're building wealth, you can accidentally sabotage the entire process. Because real wealth doesn't announce itself. It doesn't feel exciting. In fact, it's so quiet, most people quit right before it starts working. Today, we're going through 9 subtle signs you're secretly getting rich, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. And missing these signs can undo years of your progress without you even realizing it. The most dangerous part is right in the middle of the list. That's where most people think they're doing well, but they're actually quietly falling behind. The first 3 signs have nothing to do with how much money you make. They have to do with how you see yourself. It's an identity shift. The first sign is this: you've stopped trying to look rich. This is one of the earliest and clearest signs that wealth is quietly building in the background. You're not posting your latest purchase on Instagram. You're not casually hinting about your salary at dinner parties. You're not buying things just so other people might notice. Instead, you're spending your money based on what you actually value, not on what might impress a stranger you'll never meet. You might be the person driving a paid-off car that's 5 years old, while someone else finances a brand new luxury car at 9% interest just to feel successful in traffic. One of those people looks rich, the other one becomes rich. The journey to real wealth starts the moment you finally understand looking rich is incredibly expensive, but being rich is often surprisingly boring. The second sign is that you've started to think in decades, not paychecks. Most people operate in short bursts of financial thinking. They're focused on their next bonus, their next tax refund, the next hot investment tip from a friend. But you've zoomed out. You're investing consistently every single month, even when the market is boring. You're building skills that you know won't pay off for years. You're okay with delaying gratification because you understand the quiet, unstoppable power of compounding. For example, instead of chasing a 30% return this year on some risky bet, you're completely happy earning a steady 7 or 8% consistently for 20 years, because you know that's how money quietly turns into a snowball, then an avalanche. While everyone else is chasing excitement, you're building inevitability. This third sign of this identity shift is powerful. You've created financial breathing room for yourself, and you don't talk about it. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck. You have cash that you don't need right now, an emergency fund, a cushion. You have options. Maybe it's 3 months of expenses saved up. Maybe it's 6. But the point is, you can breathe. When your car suddenly needs a $900 repair, it's annoying, sure, but it's not catastrophic. It doesn't derail your life. If your job disappeared tomorrow, you'd panic less and plan more. And here's the real giveaway. You don't brag about it. You don't mention it. Because once you experience genuine financial peace, you stop needing validation from anyone else. If even one of these signs feels familiar, you are already doing better than most. And this next part is where that quiet progress starts to accelerate. This is where wealth stops being a happy accident and starts becoming automatic. It's about systems and discipline. Sign number 4, your income grows, but your lifestyle doesn't. You make more money, but your spending doesn't explode right alongside it. There's no new car after every raise, no automatic lifestyle upgrades just because you think you can afford it now. Instead, that gap between what you earn and what you spend keeps widening, and that gap, that's your wealth engine. Think about it. If your income goes up by $1,000 a month, but your lifestyle costs only go up by $200, you've just created an $800 a month investing machine. That's not flashy, nobody will notice, but over 10 or 15 years, that machine is life-changing. Sign number 5, money has become a tool, not a scoreboard. At some point on this journey, you stop obsessively checking your net worth like it's a high score in a video game. You start asking better, deeper questions. What do I actually want my money to do? How much stress can this remove from my life? How much freedom can this buy me? You'll happily pay for value, but you won't pay for ego. You'll spend money on services that save you time, not on status symbols that get you applause. You care more about the return on your investment than the return of compliments. Wealthy behavior isn't about spending less, it's about spending with purpose. This next one, sign 6, really surprises people. money management has become boring. When money is tight, it dominates your every thought. It's a source of constant stress and anxiety. But when you have systems in place, automated savings, automated long-term investments, money just fades into the background of your life. You're not chasing every new credit card perk. You're not day trading because some guy on TikTok yelled that a stock is going to 10x. Your finances are calm, predictable, almost dull. And the great irony is that these boring money habits are what create the foundation for truly exciting lives. Now stay with me because these final 3 signs have less to do with discipline and more to do with something most people never achieve, no matter how much money they earn. This is where wealth stops being a number on a screen and becomes something you can feel. This is about time and freedom. Sign number 7, you're careful with your small purchases, but you're decisive with big necessities. You might spend 20 minutes comparing $20 phone charges to find the best one, but you won't hesitate for a second to pay $2,000 for a necessary home repair. That's not inconsistency, that's wisdom. You understand that small, everyday choices compound over time. Small leaks can sink a great ship, but you also know that big, necessary problems need to be handled efficiently and effectively. People who build real wealth understand the crucial difference between their wants and their needs, and they never ever confuse the two. Sign number 8, you have mastered the art of waiting. You don't buy things the moment you want them. You research, you wait for sales. Sometimes you wait so long you realize you didn't actually need the thing at all. You've become immune to those high-pressure, limited-time offers because your experience has taught you they'll probably be back next week. This patience applies to your investments too. You don't rush into decisions. You don't panic sell when the market gets volatile. You just wait. Delayed gratification isn't always fun, but it is one of the strongest predictors of long-term wealth. It's a quiet superpower. And finally, the 9th sign, the ultimate sign. You value your time more than you value stuff. You start choosing convenience over the absolute cheapest option. You start saying no to commitments and projects that you know will drain your energy. You protect your time like it's your most valuable asset, because now it is. At this stage, you're not just building money wealth anymore, you're building time wealth. And once you make that shift, once you truly feel what that's like, there's no going back. Here's what no one tells you about getting rich. It doesn't feel dramatic. There's no confetti. Most of the time, it feels quiet, even boring. It's the sum of thousands of invisible decisions. It's skipping the impulse purchase at the checkout. It's saying no when others are saying yes. It's building systems that do the work for you when your motivation fades. And if you recognized yourself in even a few of these signs, you are already far ahead of the game, whether it feels like it or not. Real wealth is often invisible, but it's powerful, and it compounds quietly in the background of your life, giving you back the only thing you can never earn more of, your time. And if you want more psychology-backed money tips that actually help you keep more of what you earn, subscribe to the channel. I post videos like this every week to help you spend smarter, stress less, and build real financial freedom.